Hello guys, let's come to discuss something about the JavaScript function. So what is function? Function is like a module which contain a self code, and when the function is called, it execute the code and return the result. So let's come to our JavaScript page and do some coding. Okay, so we write a simple function. So we will write the function, and here we will write the function name like sing song. Okay, sing song. So we will use the brackets. Okay, and we will write something. For example, we write console.log of hello, and we can you write as many console as we like. Hello to the world of functions. Okay, so what will happen? We will save it, and we will come to this page. We'll refresh. Nothing happens. Why? Because by default the JavaScript ignore this. If we write, for example, if we write this outside the function and save it, and we refresh, so this is, you can see the result on the screen, but inside the function is not displayed. Why? Because we need call the function. What is the function name? Sing song, for example. Or we change a little bit the name because it does not look in the context. So we like intro. We will write intro. Okay, so now the cursor, when the compiler comes to this line, and this is the, if we simple write intro, it will be not executed, so we must use the function brackets, so it will be called, and then these two lines will be print. So hello to the world of function. Now function is properly executed. Okay, so now we come to discuss something more about the function. Like if we pass some value like 5. Okay, so here we will write x. So this means we will use the variable here. So this means 5 will be passed to x, and suppose we write, we will copy it, and inside we will write x. So now 5 should be printed. You can see 5 is printed here. So how this comes? Intro and a function is called. 5 comes by default from the user. Okay, this 5 is now here, and you can see it is printed. Okay, let's write program for adding, or we for example, if we write here x plus 5, this means the result, display result should be 10. No, why? Okay, sorry, this value will come in 5x, and we will add value of 5 to here. Okay, sorry for my mistake. So if you run, now you can see 10 is printed here. Okay, so instead we can take this value from the user, like we take this value from the user using the prompt. So how? Let m is equal to prompt please enter any value. Okay, so it will be user will enter value, and this message will be displayed and it will be copied to m will come here. So the function will now contain the user value which is stored in m. It will come to this and will be printed. Okay, so we simple print, not adding anything. So if we enter 5 is printed. If we enter 7 is printed. Okay, so now further modify and write a program for addition. So adding two numbers. So let n is equal to, and we will write m comma n. So the user enter value will be copied to mn and then will be passed to x and y. Okay, so we will write x plus y. So you can see intro function and these two values 3 5, these will come here, 3 to x, 5 to y, and then we have declared let z is equal to x plus y. So 3 will be copied here, so 5 will be copied here from here and add up, and result is stored in z and z is displayed. So let's execute. Now answer is 8. Okay, so instead you can write let m is equal to 3, let n is equal to 5. So instead you can write m n comma n. Okay, so m will contain 3 and will contain 5 and will have the same result. So you can put this value like 3. Okay, so you can take this value from user, you can take also this value from user. So how you can take the value from the user? So it is already covered. For that you use the prompt. Okay, so